What's up, guys? It's January 31st, 2025. We knocked out the first year. We knocked out the first year. We knocked out the first month of the year. Pretty interesting month for me. I got my first payouts finally, so it was a good month. It was a hard month. I'm just trying to get one or two payouts a month. Anyways, let's get into the breakdown. And the Discord, I didn't expect to go this hard with the Discord, but I'm loving talking to you guys. So if you're in the Discord, what's up? I like talking to you guys. Say what's up. If you want to join the Discord, just the Discord will be in the comments. It's fun. You guys have some good perspectives. One of the guys I was actually bullish on today. I thought we'd retest the highs, and one of the guys was like, "Hey, this might break down," and he capitalized. He capitalized big. We don't. It's not a call out Discord. We're just kind of like BSing with each other, and yeah, he capitalized on that. So that was just really cool to see someone else's perspective come to fruition. And I started looking at the daily chart. I was like, "Wow, we tested the breakout point and sold." Which is literally my setup on the 5 minute chart, and it went right past my head. So, really cool. I'm enjoying it. I appreciate you guys tuning in and keeping me company throughout the day. And yeah, let's get into this breakdown. It's the weekend, so I don't want to waste too much time. These things have been spilling over past 20 minutes. I try and keep them at 20 minutes because I just don't think everyone wants to sit here for 5 hours. Oops. All right. So, daily chart, 15-minute chart. It's the last day of the month. Bullish rally. Where's the rally? This is the 15-minute. Same daily time frame, EMA. Bullish rally here. Okay, actually, hold on. Reverse. Where's the opening? Okay, so this is the first bar of the day. I wonder if there's a way to do session breaks only on the 15-minute. So, first bar of the day, we have an overnight rally right here. Sell off, testing the breakout point, and we rally again. But first, I think about 2 hours of the day. It's by the closed bars. The pullbacks are getting deeper. We have to ask ourselves, what type of rally is this? And obviously, we're not going to know until more of the day plays out. But I thought the reason I thought the rally was going to last all day and be a small pullback trend is because of how clean it was. And what is one thing I say all the freaking time? A good breakout starts with strong bars. So look at these bars. Let's say this is the range, or you could even say this. Let's say this is the range. Look at these bars. These are nice looking bars. This is a nice trading day. Then look at these bars. These are nice looking bars. But what's the price? What's the context? It's at the end. We've had a rough 3 legs up. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, this bar right here, pull back. Leg 3. So that went past my head today. I'm not gonna lie. This is climactic price action. That's why it looks so nice. The gap up with continuation got me. When I say got me, I just say I didn't trade today, so I didn't actually lose money at all. I didn't trade futures. I placed a little options trade here and there. 2 seconds. Kind of busy today, so I didn't want to trade. It was the weekend. Just wanted to coast into February and just get right for the month. And it's gonna be a pretty fun month. I'm looking forward to live streaming with you guys. So, gap up, bar one's bear bar. That's already telling you that there's something wrong with the trend today. A good trend starts with a bull bar. Or a good bull trend starts with a bull bar. Gap up, bull bar. Excuse me. Gap up, bear bar, bar 2, bull bar, not breaking above the high, more overlap. Bar 3, again, another doji. Kind of have a triangle already. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, wedge top, sells off. Bar 5, testing the breakout point, testing the low. Excuse me, that's not a break. It is a form of a breakout point. It's a weak breakout, and it reverses. So more sellers above bar 3, more buyers below bar 4. Bears get 3 legs lower, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, tail of 5. Rallies trapping bears. Man, 1 second. So rallies trapping bears. Leg 1. So there's a lot of ways to count this. I was really looking, and I counted 12 legs. That sounds silly because we only go up to 3. But I was adding implied and visible. So again, implied would be tails. Visible is a visible, like here, bar 11 is a visible trend line break. So we're going to count visible legs, and then we're going to count implied. Leg 1, trend line break, bar 11. Leg 2, trend line break, 15. Leg 3. I keep thinking I'm going to sneeze, and then I don't, so I keep saying 1 second, guys. This time I think it's coming, but the last 2 times I didn't sneeze, so I'm gonna just not sneeze. So we have 3 bars, strong enough for continuation. After bar 10 gets put in, we have a gap here. Excuse me, I saw 9. I meant to say after bar 8 gets put in, we have a gap. So this is a gap up, and then we have 3 bars with 2 of them closing on their highs with small tails. Bar 6 has overlap. Bar 6 is overlap. There's a tail here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze. And I did not. So, anyways, 3 bars, strong to get a measured continuation, at least 1 tick past. Measured move not strong enough, put it below the pullback of 11, and you get that 1-to-1. Put it here, nothing. So, look at the pullbacks. Pullback right here, the low of 5, it gets bought. Pullback low of 6 gets bought. Pullback here gets bought. Pullback gets bought. So, if this rally is so strong, why are bulls only willing to buy pullbacks? Something's wrong with the trend. We want to see many bars like bar 7, because that tells us bulls are willing to buy higher and higher and higher. And that's not the case. Bulls are buying low, and then weekends are buying high and sitting through pullbacks and then going for like 1 point profit. If you were to buy highs here, yeah, you make a good profit. You make 12 points. Buy this high, you make 4. But if you were to catch up, this bull trend actually started with a bear bar, so that's not good. That's not good. Oh no. I mean no. This is the bull trend started with this bar actually. So you can even count the gap up as a leg. So leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. So bulls are buying pullbacks. Now we're gonna count implied pullbacks. So we're gonna count about 9 legs is what I saw live. Leg 1. Whoop. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4, pullback, not making a new high. So this is within the bear channel, bar 14. So crap. This was the 4th leg, pullback, 5th. Oh, I lost count. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4, pullback, leg 5, double top. You can say leg 5's right here. Pullback, leg 6, pullback, leg 7, pullback, leg 9. And then that's why I said I counted about 12 legs, because there's 9 implied legs and then 3 visible legs. The math for this is actually pretty interesting. Now I'm speaking out loud, because that tells us that each leg had 3 legs. So this leg in itself had 3 legs. So I'll draw a box. 3 legs there. 3 legs here. About 3 legs there. There's gonna be more than 3 legs there. Before we get to the implied, let's keep going. There's a gap here that gets filled very quick with 15. So 15 is not a characteristic of a strong bull trend. Gaps are closing. 15 also tested bar 12's high, rallied. Then we get a strong bear leg down. My voice cracked. Strong bear leg down. 22, 23, 24. Pull back 25. 26, 27. Leg 1, leg 2. Second leg trap. That's what I was thinking at least. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Go sideways for a couple bars. Bar 29's tail is interesting because that fast bears were able to scalp, so they made money below bar 29, which is not good. Bears should not have ever done this to the bull trend. That's damaging. Bar 30 looks like a good buy the close. Bar 30, excuse me. Bar 31 looks like a good sell the close. You can make a quick scalp here. If you don't get out there, you can make a quick scalp here and here. So you have about 5 to 15 minutes to get out of this short, because you're shorting into support. By the way, 32 rallied. It's testing the high of bar 6, so that should tell you that bulls are trying to buy low. Bulls have been buying low the entire time. Bulls are buying low for final. Yesterday we talked about 3 types of trendline breaks. In yesterday's video, I talked about how there's 3 types of trendline breaks. So for this leg here, there's a leg 1 pullback, new low, leg 1 pullback, recent low, leg 1 pullback, higher low. And this is the worst case for the bears, is to have a higher low. Take that same mentality here. Leg 1 pullback, bulls want a new high. I expect a new high. That's the best case scenario. Leg 1 pullback, bulls get recent highs. That's the second best scenario. That lets the trap bulls out here at least. In this scenario, the one we got printed, it was the worst case for the bulls. They were still able to get out. I mean, you buy here, you buy more, your price is at 50%, so you're going to make some money. Bulls are. But this is a higher low, the third scenario. So we got the third scenario here, and we got the third scenario here. So yeah, higher low gives chance of bulls to get out still because they can buy more here, they can buy more here, they get out here for a couple points, and the sell begins. One thing as a breakout trader, we have to recognize a strong breakout. 46 is that strong. Oh, also leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge bottom, break has a bearish breakout. You have to recognize 46 is a strong breakout. It's getting followed through 47. Okay, I thought I was going to sneeze. I did it. 47 is the first pullback, but it's a bear bar, so it's an implied pullback. We make that 1-to-1 very quickly. I swear this sneeze is going to come at the most random time. Like, I think I got pepper in my nose, but I haven't even used pepper today. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Actually, excuse me, leg 1. We're counting implied legs. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4. A pullback is coming. The bars are becoming climactic, and we get that pullback here when it comes in 3 pushes. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge top for the bulls. This is a fractal trend line break. See how this is a lower high here? Here is the same exact price action. So imagine this price action, this here, here, and lower high right here between these two bars, 51 and 52. Rally here, lower high. I want to show you guys. Okay, so let's everyone get a good look at this price action. This led to a sell-off. 3 pushes up, or let's count this as one leg. This is one leg on a higher time frame. Pull back. So now these bear bars are going to create a tail above this candle. So we're going to draw this candle. Actually, I want you guys to see this fractal price action. This is going to be a tail, kind of like right there. That's a tail. And then here is going to be a bull body. So we're going to draw this candle. This is getting kind of abstract looking. Just spare me. I hope I'm not going to look like super silly after this. So this is a tail. On what time frame? Let's go to this one. 45 minute. Nope. Or how many bars is this actually? I'll tell you right now. Okay, so that's not right because the gap up is there. On the 3-hour chart. Ooh. On the 3 hours here. Oh, that's 4 hours. I mean, actually, you know, right there is actually what I'm talking about. But I did the math for 3 hours. So let's go to 3 hours. Okay, so I guess it looks better on the 4 hour. We'll go back to the 4 hour so you guys can see. Okay, so this candle is what I was trying to draw right here. I'm trying to explain that there's a tail. It's about half of the day actually. So you guys see how I did that? Because the bar starts here, it rallies here, and then it pulls back, so there's going to be a tail. So now I'm going to delete this. You guys see how this was a trend line break? Trend line break right here, right? And it sold off. This is what I'm trying to show you guys on that pullback. So you guys see that, and now we're going to examine this. Yep. Oh, I guess we'll just go 1 minute. Right there. There it is. See that? See a rally? The trap bulls go off, and they get the third option, a lower high that leads to a sell. So what I'm trying to get at is this price action right here that we're looking at. This price action right here. It's messy, it's sloppy. We're on the 1 minute, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, deep sell off, trend line. So this sell off is a trend line break. Rallies creates a lower high. Keep this in your head. Keep these 3 legs, keep that lower high in your head. I'm gonna leave it there for a split second. Is this not the same? Is price action not fractal? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. deep sell off, trend line break, lower high. You guys see how this is just a rotation? It's just a rotation. We're just following momentum. Momentum here is bearish. Just like the box analogy, you shoot a bullet into a box, and if the pullback is shallow enough, in this case it is, the momentum should get spat out the same way. Spent a long time on that, but I think that's a really important lesson because it's not just here. I mean, look, we saw the inverse right here. You could say the inverse for those three legs and the trend line break and then the pullback. See right here, 39 is a higher low. So this price action is very similar to this price action in my opinion. 3 legs lower, 3 legs higher, trend line break, higher low, trend line break, lower high. This pullback, it has a wedge bottom. This pullback has a wedge top. It's the inverse. Same thing. A breakout is a reversal. So then that leads to a sell-off. I'm going to speed it up because we're getting into the 20-minute mark. 1, 2, I'm going to delete these 2. 4 bear bars in a row trying to get its own leg 1, pull back leg 2. However, this is trying to get its own leg 1, pull back leg 2. This is trying to get its own leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Trying to get its own leg 2, but now we've very extended leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, a new low. We have a wedge bottom here. Rallies, and we go sideways, range bound market cycle. I actually went through that way faster than I realized, but it's the same thing. Strong breakout, get to pull back 57. Bulls are buying lows. They get a wedge top here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, or you can say leg 1, deep pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Okay, thank God I sneezed. I've been holding that in for, I guess, 17, 20 minutes. See? Rally. This is the 1 minute time frame, but these tails imply smaller legs on probably the 30-second chart. So we have rally, deep trend line break. Here is the second variation where we get that. I mean, it is technically a higher low, a lower high because it doesn't reach the high tick here. Very close to the high tick, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. The leg 2 comes in multiple legs, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, wedge top into resistance. This being resistance, leads to 2 legs lower, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Wedge top here, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. It sells off, and then we get that sideways price action. Let's talk about this. So I believe we counted about, I think it was 12 legs. We counted 9 implied and 3 visible. Again, implied is tails, visible is printed bars. So we're on the 1 minute chart. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back. Not a new high. Leg 3, pull back, leg 4, high tick right here. Pull back, leg 5, 3 legs lower. Pull back to a new high. Pull back, rally to a new high, leg 6, pull back, leg 7, pull back, leg 8. Okay, so I think I said 9, so there's 8. And each one of these boxes was the third leg, so that's about 11. I counted an extra leg here, now I realized it didn't make a new high, so 11, 12, I was pretty close, not bad. Measured moves are important. I've been kind of straying away from them because I think it's important to count legs and just measure momentum. If you measure momentum, you'll get your targets. You can hold longer, you can scalp out quicker. Here's 3 bars there. Pull back 1-to-1 is not met. Put the pullback down here, it's met. Another 3 bars here. We know this 1-to-1 is not met, but just for the sake of doing it. And then climactic 3 bars, you're going to get stopped out. 1-to-1 is not met. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. I do it at 24. You see this, realize you're in trend, and if you're going to sell and you sell it into the EMA, you're selling into support, you could scalp out if you're fast, or you could wait till the retest of the breakdown point, knowing that we are in the higher trading range after a lot of bullish pressure. Bulls are going to want to buy the EMA. They don't get to a new high, they get the third option, a higher low. Higher low. I have to always ask myself, did I say that right, or did I say it backwards? This is obviously the measured move of the day, 1-to-1 of the bear breakout, and that is met. Wow. Really crazy day.
Really crazy day. I was very surprised this was happening as it was going on, but the more I'm talking about, the more I was like, well, actually, it makes sense. Climactic, we've had three major pushes higher. Had a really nice rally here, had a really nice rally here, and then look at that breakdown. So daily chart. We've had so much overlap. It'll be very interesting to see if the bears can start to get down back down here, or are we going to keep going sideways? 21 minutes. I gotta do some editing because I was sneezing and the dog was barking. So you guys have a good one. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a good, happy holidays. Man, what the heck is going on? Hope you guys had a good trading month. I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you in the Discord. Again, that if you're new here, the invite will be in the comment section. Say what's up in the Discord. We are not a call out Discord, but we do talk about the trades we are in. So we have people at all levels, some new traders, and we have some very experienced traders clearing 3-4K a day. It's really fun to see everyone's perspective. I like talking to you guys. Just because what I say, just because I make this video doesn't make me a trading god. There are people who are right. 50% of people will be right. 50% of people are usually going to be wrong. Today I was wrong. I wasn't trading, so it didn't really matter. If I was trading, I wouldn't be trading what I want. I'd be trading the price action anyway. So maybe I missed the first leg. I cashed the second leg of my trade anyways. Doesn't freaking matter. That's why we follow price action. We don't predict. We just trade what we see. You guys have a good one. I will talk to you on Monday. I'm looking forward to live streaming. Again, I meet the live streams because I'll just be watching. I'll just be hanging out and waiting for the signals to print, waiting for good breakouts and pullbacks. So there's not too much talking. I do plan on talking later on in the year, but right now I think it's just best to, I just hang out and talk to you guys live. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for your support. Don't be a hoe. Share the show. Have a good weekend. Don't drink and drive. Bye.